together, who knows what they can do? Well, the cat, the leopard, and the squirrel, they travel around the world, and the leader of them was the cat. His name was Matt. Matt the cat.
It's that cat again?
Matt the cat. Matt the cat. Matt the cat. And breakfast ain't shed too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All good kitties go to heaven. Matt the cat.